In this video, I'll show you how to download videos from almost any website using Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and go to the search bar. Type Video Download Professional Extension and hit Enter. Open the first link that appears. Once the page opens, click on the Add to Chrome button, then select Add Extension to install it. After the installation is complete, click on the extensions icon in the top right corner of your browser and pin the extension so it's easy to access. Now, go to the website where your video is located. Play the video, then click on the extension icon. You'll see a list of available videos detected on the page. Simply choose the video you want and click the download button. Your download will begin immediately, and once it's finished, you'll see that the video has been successfully saved to your device. That's it. This is how you can easily download videos from websites using Chrome. Thanks for watching.